Hello darlings, here is my latest journal. It's a rather simple one. I wanted to make something lovely. It has a leather paper cover that I have been handled with dried coffee and coffee dyeing and vinegar waxes. And here we go. Stay wild and curious. And here I have used vinegar mixed media like gesso and a bit of acrylic paints to make it look old, with a bit of cheesecloth and cords and so on. And prints and papers are from the Paper Garden Vintage journaling kit. And here's the next one. Every woman is a rebel. And let's see. Here's how this page looks. There is some stencil marks. I have used Finnabair modeling paste and simple vintage looking paint to make it look old, and daisies and button, courage to fly. I love the soft colors in this one. And here are some Valtameri Osakeyhtiö Helsinki Ocean company or something. And lots of nooks. This is a lovely one. They are prints from the journaling kit, but I love how to make all the difference into the pages, as you see. Also here are some stencil marks and so on. And a tiny butterfly saying courage to fly. Live, love and laugh. She was beautiful. She was tremendously alive. Bit of cheesecloth and stencil marks again. It's a bit of a tattooed look from the impasto paint. To be alive is power. Emily Dickinson and fly. Pori, Björneborg is the nearest town here in Finland. And butterflies. She's so cute, don't you think? And a bit of silk ribbon in here. Here, by the way, are tees, laces, and cheesecloth and silk ribbons are dyed with Finnabair mica powders. I tested. They work really so nicely, and they are much easier way to dye the laces than using beetroot and coffee and cinnamon and stuff. I loved it. And here, forever is composed of notes. Oh, it's starting to get a really stormy outside. I think you might actually hear the wind blowing in. Probably winter storm. And here's the last page. Actually, this one kind of might need a quote or something. I might add something really pretty and encouraging into the end. I need it. And here are some. I love how the lace comes through behind the vintage paper, onion skin paper, I think. And then I have stitched it with mulberry silk ribbon that I have dyed with lots of botanical stuff, plants from our garden. And here it was, a tiny little quiet miracles. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.